Welcome to the Funwritings channel, where we say protecting Earth's beauty is our duty. As we tell children how to treat the environment in a great way, they will plan to see a brighter day. Children are enjoying great adventures when they go on nature walks and learn about ecosystems. They know why plastic pollution is bad, and when they learn about the environmental solutions, they are always glad. Let us tell more children every day how they can protect the environment and live in a great way. The heat waves and flooding could leave them feeling distressed, but when they know about green living they will worry less. I thank all the supporters of the Environmental Protection Project for Children, at funwritings.com. You have been contributing to the publishing cost of the Eco Kids books and the promotion cost as well. Remember to subscribe, like, comment and share so we can tell more children about the need for environmental care.